Fly with me. To the infinite depths.
Good morning, welcome you all back to my channel. Another day of riding, this time with the kids. We're going to a short ride here near Ramangara. Stay tuned. Welcome you all back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Yesterday was Ayudha Puja, happy Ayudha Puja, and today is Dassera. Happy Dassera to all of you people. It's going to be a short fun ride. Stay tuned. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and the Facebook fan page also Djmahaneet. Cheers. And this is my ride for today, the Honda Transalp XL750. Same setup from my last ride, which was the Zanskar Speedy Loop. Not done service, also post that. So we are on the Bengaluru-Mysore highway. Can't take the expressway on the bike, so we're going to go down from the expressway towards Biddi. The time right now is about 8:40 in the morning. Less traffic today as it's Dassera. Beautiful weather. Stay tuned for another exciting ride. There's a crazy jam on Mysore Road because of Dassera. So quick coconut break and we're back en route on Mysore Road. Gang, Anya and Jiggy. Hello. Beautiful lake out here. Make it is left from here. That's the road we're taking, I think. Alaguru is straight. So about 2 more kilometers to go through this forest area. This is, well, stay in nature, be a part of nature, enjoy life, do what you love what you do. That's my funda. Stop waiting for the right moment. Do it right now. It's the time. You never know when is your time. Well, from this beautiful location, the name I got, it's a beautiful view of this spot.
Drive with me. Where your dreams go. Fly with me. To the infinite depths.
Well, that's the gang here.
Hello.
Beautiful spot here near Ramangara. Emergency. So we are off from here. This is the Bettada Siddappaji Devasthana. It's called Shri Chennapaji Devasthana. Nice spot, hardly anybody comes. If you like my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Stay tuned for our return journey home. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Triples off-roading. Watch this.
Drive with me where your dreams go.
So elephant had just passed by after we went up. You can see the elephant poop and all the bushes pulled out of that. It's come out of the bushes and gone other side, I think. This is Ramangara. We're going to quickly stop at Biddi for some breakfast and then head home. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. It's going to be adios from here. I'm going to sign off. See you around very soon on my next vlog. We'll do short rides throughout this month. Well, sayonara, adios, goodbye. Thank you for watching. This is from Biddi. After a fabulous and yummy 38 we're signing off from here. Bye bye. See you around soon.